The Canadian military has been mobilized after Hurricane Fiona left hundreds of thousands of people in Atlantic Canada without power, and officials try to assess the scope of the devastation. After surging north from the Caribbean, Fiona came ashore before dawn on Saturday as a post-tropical cyclone, battering Canada's regions of Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland and Quebec with hurricane-strength winds, heavy rains and huge waves. Defense Minister Anita Anand said Canadian troops would help remove fallen trees throughout eastern Canada, restore transport links and do whatever else is required for as long as it takes. Canada's Emergency Preparedness Minister Bill Blair said the damage caused by the Fiona was never seen before, and it will take months to rebuild the destroyed infrastructure. The scale of what we're dealing with, I think it's unprecedented, Blair said. Fiona was responsible for at least 5 deaths in the Caribbean. While Canada's authorities have no confirmed deaths, they have been searching for a missing woman in the hardest-hit town on the southern coast of Newfoundland.